presented each year at the International Council of Air Shows annual convention right here on the street. And today, flying the Zimco Edge 540. It's one of the top aerobatic monoplanes for competition, air shows, and air racing. The type previously used as part of the Red Bull Air Race World Championships as well. Its Lycoming IO 540 engine produces over 350 horsepower, and its inverted fuel and oil system allows Bill to perform maneuvers just like this one. Watch him now as he goes nose for tail, tail for nose in a series of The Zimco Edge 540 and the MX2, both incredible machines, rated for a bone-crushing positive at -12 Gs.